Hi guys, I welcome you all to my cooking channel, and this is Mitisha. In today's recipe video, I'm going to share with you air fryer roasted potatoes recipe. Very quick, easy, very delicious, and you need only few ingredients. You can adjust according to your preference. And I'm sure you will love this recipe, and if you enjoy watching my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get started with the recipe. To make this roasted potato here, I'm using this baby potatoes and I have washed, dried them completely, and I'm using 10, and let me show you what brand I'm using. So this is the brand I am using for this recipe, and I got this from Walmart, and it says baby Dutch yellow potatoes, perfect for grilling, roasting, and for salad. And I'm using only 10 baby potatoes out of this bag, as you can see. And now I will cut these potatoes in half, and if it's a little big size potato, I will cut it into the 3 pieces, and I'm going to leave the skin on since it's very thin. Now after cutting them, I'm going to pierce each potato with the fork. This will help them to cook faster, and also it will quickly absorb all the flavors and the seasoning we will add into these potatoes. Just want to show you the oil I'm using. This is avocado oil, and this is my current favorite. I absolutely love this. So for you guys, I will leave link in the description box. Let's season these baby potatoes. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you can adjust according to your preference. Next I will add oil. I'm just going to eyeball it, but it's about half tablespoon. Little bit of crushed black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, about 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Now mix it very well. Make sure each piece of potato is coated very well with the spices we have added. Now I'm going to let this rest about 10-15 minutes. This is optional, but it kind of helps this potato to absorb all the flavors. So if you don't have time, you can go ahead and roast it right away, but I'm going to let this sit for about 10-15 minutes. And this is final toss after resting, and ready to go into this air fryer basket. And all these baby potatoes are ready to go into the air fryer. Since I've used oil, I want to make sure that I use the dripping tray underneath just to make it cleaning easy. So first I'm going to air fry this for 10 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna take it out, and as you can see, it has cooked through and also getting nice and brown. Now at this point, if you don't want to add anything to this, you can just give it a shake and put it back into the air fryer. But I am going to add Parmesan cheese, so just going to sprinkle a little bit on top, and this is optional. You can avoid this if you don't like it. I like to add it at the end. It will give nice salty taste to these potatoes. And now going back into the air fryer for a second quick roasting. Now going to air fry this at 400 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Done cooking, let's check. Perfectly roasted potato into the air fryer. Look at this deliciously looking, perfectly roasted potatoes are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.